Hi, I'm Manshil.
Hi, I'm Nitya.
Hi, I'm Samir.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
Hi, I'm Nisha, and our team's project is SCibot. It's an agile bot that pings users for daily updates and generates a summary report for every sprint cycle. It also gives the admin special privileges to configure the bot's ping time and sprint cycles. Now, let's see this SCibot in action.
Let us see the demonstration of the first use case, which is pinging a user for his daily updates. When the user comes to work, he goes to SCibot and he signs in with the SCibot. Now, the bot asks him if he's updated his daily status. When the user replies that he has updated his status, the bot allows him to sign off. Let us see the other flow where the user says that he's not updated. So it's the same flow where the user signs in and the bot replies asking his daily status and he is giving no, not updated. And the bot is asking the daily Scrum meeting questions to the user. At this point, the user will reply to the bot his Scrum answers, and the bot saves the answers in the database. Let us see one alternate flow for this use case where the user was not at work the previous day. When the user signs into bot and when the bot asks the question, he says that he was off yesterday. At this point, the SCibot asks the user to update his present day status or whatever he's planning to do for this day. Once the user gives his input, the bot saves it in the database.
SCibot can also help the user to track the progress of the sprint by generating a sprint report. So let's ask SCibot to generate the report for the previous sprint. So if the report can be generated, SCibot responds with a link to the generated report. An alternate flow for the use cases when users have not updated the status yet, and in this case, SCibot responds that the report cannot be generated.
The use case 3 is to allow the admin user to configure the bot when to generate summary reports and when to ping the users for their statuses. So let's see when a user with admin access tries to configure the bot. Here the admin user is configuring the bot to ping the user's Tiruma at 1 p.m. every day for his status. So the bot has generated the ping request for the user at the requested time. So let's see when a user without admin access wants to configure the bot. Now the bot checks that the user does not have the admin access and gives out a message not authorized to configure the pings.
SCibot uses an external database to store sprint and user data. Since we do not have a database set up for this milestone, we have mocked the database layer to emulate the database interface.
Now we'll take a look at the Selenium tests where each use case has one path, one main path and one alternate path. For example, for use case 1, all the test cases for sign in as well as when the user is able to update his daily status and not able to update his daily status, everything is checked.